Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Chrome Remote Desktop. If you want to control your one PC through another PC or mobile or another device, then in this video, I'll show you how it can be possible. So simply go to the browser and then you have to search for Chrome Remote Desktop or any keyword related to it. Then you have to click onto the second link, which is actually the link for the extension web store. You will get this extension, Chrome Remote extension. You have to simply get it, like download it. Once it gets downloaded, then you have to click onto that puzzle icon and click onto that extension we added. It will open another tab. From there you have to click on remote access and you will get to this page. Then you have to click onto that download icon. So what it will do, it will now download the remote access, like the Chrome Remote Desktop, in your PC. Once it get downloaded, then we will get the option to accept and install. So now what you have to do is you have to simply click onto this option, accept and install, and then the installation will start. Once it get installed, now you have to wait for a while, and after that what you can do is you can just simply do a quick refresh and it will show it has been installed. Then you have to click onto that option and you have to give it a name. It could be anything, and after that you have to set a password that will be used through any other PC device, mobile, to get access for your system. It can be any password of your choice, and after that create it. Then it will take a while, and once it get all done, then you will be able to share your screen to any other PC. Now if you want to do it through any other PC, you have to do the same process, but instead of going to give the access, you have to simply enter the password we created. And if you're on the phone, then you have to simply go to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Once you have opened it up, then you have to simply search for Chrome Remote Desktop or any keyword related to it until you find the right app, which is the Chrome Remote Desktop. Once you find it, you have to open it up, install it. Once it get installed, then you have to simply open it up. Once you open it up, make sure you're logged in with the same account that you have used on your web. Then you will see this option, click onto it. It will take a while, and after that you have to add the password that we have set on the PC, like here. And after that you will be able to access your desktop screen through your mobile. You can click onto any one of these options. You can go to any other page, or whatever things you would like to do, you will be able to do it now. So that's how you can use Chrome Remote Desktop. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.